Hey guys, today I've brought you a recipe for a nutritious and delicious food. It's stuffed grape leaves that is called Dolme bargemu in Persian. The ingredients are 2 cups of rice, half a cup of yellow split peas, 100 gram ground meat, 100 gram herbs contain tarragon, savory, dill, parsley, coriander, chive, and onion, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, grape leaves, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of grape sap or half a cup of sugar, dice an onion. Sauté in oil with meat. Add turmeric and pepper. Add tomato paste. Add rice, yellow split peas, herbs, and salt. You can also use dried herb. Pour 5 cups of water. Reduce the heat to cook the ingredients and water runs out. Pour boiling water over the leaves to soften them and make it easier to wrap dolme. 2 to 3 minutes is enough. When the color of the leaves have changed, it's time to wrap dolme. Place 1 full tablespoon of the mixture in the middle of the leaves. Fold the edges of the leaf so that the glossy part of the leaf is the outer part of the dolme. Mix vinegar and grape sap and water. Pour over the dolme. Also, if you want sweeter dolme, increase the amount of sugar. Pour a little oil over the dolme. Cook for an hour with a medium heat until completely cooked. Hope you cook it and like it. Enjoy your meal!